January 18th. Is it the 18th? 19th? Oh gosh. I filled out documents earlier today and I think I put the 18th. I have to I gotta clean. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like I always have to clean, but y'all already know how I feel about cleaning. So, no, but there's a few things around the house that I need to do, so I'm gonna get to cleaning with that. I've been up really early though, because I had some things to do this morning. Fingers crossed for good news with that. So now I'm back at home, and it's time. I'm gonna clean. And I love cleaning vlogs, so welcome to my guest room. It really isn't much. It isn't much, but I take pride in this room, okay? Everybody doesn't have a guest room. But no, we pretty much store things in here at this point because we've just been getting so many, investing in so many things. And we really don't have that much storage space in this house. We just have to make do because we have lots of equipment as a couple. So, but I'm gonna get started on these clothes. Brandy always works. Alrighty, so this is the spot that I film at, obviously, and I'm just gonna straighten this up. It's not really too dirty, it's just things need to be put in place, so let's get it. I'm done cleaning for the most part. There are other parts of the house, but I'm about to actually film a video right now. So once I get done, I don't know, but I'm about to film my video, so 2 seconds. Be right back. Good morning, guys. Okay, so I'm headed to the nail shop right now. I feel like I need to go to the dollar store though and get some more face wash and stuff. I always put stuff like that off and I literally wait until I'm out and then I'm in desperate need. I'm gonna go to the nail shop. I'm probably gonna film some of it because the nail lady is just so great. She's great. But yeah, let's head on out. In the new Frank Ocean.
You done tear them up taking them off too.
No, it wasn't bad. A lot of them came up easy.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Yeah. whoa, whoa. No, 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 no. Good morning.
I wanna be more low, won't be honest, won't be closer to God. I wanna be more low, won't be honest, won't be closer to God. Yeah, like it gets so lonely and narrow, lonely.
What's up, y'all? So today, well, right now, because I actually need to edit this and like get it together, but I need to know what's a good day. Cause see now, last year I posted my videos on Mondays, but now when I post my videos on Fridays. So like my regular content, my professional looking content, I want to post that on Fridays. So what day should I post the vlogs? Cause I want to do weekly vlogs. So what day should I post the vlogs? I don't know. If y'all have any ideas, let me know. But I don't know what to do. But anyway, me and my husband, we was just talking about how I can rearrange this room in order to have my entire gray side open. So I'll be able to like take pictures here and stuff. So as y'all can see, we just got those new lights. So I just want to put them to the test and stuff. And so he gave me an idea how I can set up my room. And so that's what I'm about to do. About to get a few things out of here, clear up some space, and yeah, I have visions in my mind, but we'll see. And I need to get a sign. Like I need to get like a, you know that font I like, that really condensed font that I like, basically to put like my name at the bottom of my videos. Like where would it be? Right here. But yeah, I like to, you know, MichelleChanel. I want to get like a sign made that looks just like that, so I can like put it on the wall, and then it can be like in my videos. I want to get that. I'm gonna get that. But yeah, so let's get started with this room. It's a good day.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? Looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a lot latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep. Cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things.
So I have this area set up, but I don't know how this is gonna work out. Look, I don't know how it's gonna work out because I've always wanted my monitor like right in front of me right here, but I got to figure out how I'm gonna put my camera up here because I've got everything set up, but I don't know how. I don't know where the camera going because this camera is on the tripod that I use for that. But we almost done. We almost done. Look. Okay, so when you walk in, boom. And this is, I never set this up here. I never thought about this, but I need this clear from a photo space. So I got all my goodies right here. Well, you know, my women goodies, vitamins, hygiene, headscarf, palettes, skin and hair and stuff. So that's what that shelf holds. And so see, this is where my desk was, has been, if y'all recognize this corner right here. Y'all probably recognize that corner. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like. And so this right here, I need to figure out something. Lord, look at my head. But for the most part, let me step back. This is like what I wanted. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really want to buy a mirror, but I have to wait because, you know, priorities. So
I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you.
So I have it set up just like this, right? And I feel like I need to move the monitor and put it to my left so the tripod can stand on its own. Because I feel like the camera's too far away. I used to do it all the time, but I do not like getting up and sitting down to change angles, zoom in and zoom out, press the buttons, connect the Wi-Fi to it. Like, I just can't stand standing up anymore and sitting back down, fixing the angle. I need a little bit out so I can get up again and fix it. I just hate that. So I think I'm gonna do that. But in other news, all of that is clear, just like I wanted. So that's good. This is next to me here, so I think it's gonna work out. I just have a few adjustments to make. All right, y'all, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank y'all for tuning in, and be sure to tune in every week. I'm gonna try to do this every week. And vlogging is like harder than filming. Like, it's so crazy. Like, the vloggers are not lying, but I really do enjoy it. I think y'all are gonna enjoy it too. So I will see y'all in the next vlog. That's weird to say. Okay, bye.